So, what is narcissism really? At its core, narcissism is about self-focus and self-importance. And here's the twist. We all have a little bit of it. That might surprise you, but it's part of being human. It helps us pursue our goals, maintain healthy self-esteem, and feel proud of our accomplishments. In the right balance, it's actually essential for personal growth and resilience. But here's where it gets interesting. Narcissism isn't just one thing. It exists on a spectrum. On one side, healthy narcissism. This is the good stuff. Confidence, ambition, resilience. The drive that keeps us motivated when things get tough. That little voice that says, "You've got this." On the flip side, pathological narcissism. This is where things start to break down. Think entitlement, a relentless craving for admiration, a lack of empathy, and often, beneath it all, deep insecurity and fragile self-worth. It's not black and white. It's all shades of gray, and many of us slide up and down that spectrum at different times in life, especially under pressure or after major life events. So, when does healthy self-love cross the line into something harmful? A clear sign, when someone's need for attention, praise, or control begins to override the feelings, needs, and rights of others. That's when narcissism shifts from being a personal trait to a destructive force, damaging relationships, creating toxic work environments, and even harming mental health, both for the narcissist and those around them. You might recognize these patterns in a boss who constantly needs to be the center of attention, or in a friend who dismisses your feelings because they're too wrapped up in their own story. It can also show up in social media behavior, like someone fishing for endless validation through curated posts, or in family dynamics, where one member demands loyalty but offers little in return. But here's the key takeaway. Understanding the narcissism spectrum isn't just about calling out others. It's a powerful lens for self-reflection. We all have moments of pride, ego, or a need for validation, and that's okay. The magic lies in keeping it balanced, checking in with ourselves, and making sure we're showing empathy along the way. So next time you notice narcissistic traits, in yourself or someone else, pause and ask, is this healthy self-confidence? Or is it edging into something more disruptive? Like and follow for more on understanding narcissism and navigating it with clarity.